Outdoors. You can see in the background I got my new to me Harley Road Glide, and it's got a stereo on it. So I was thinking that it'd be cool to plug my phone into the stereo while I'm riding, and I didn't really have a good spot for the phone, so I went to Canadian Tire and picked up one of these Scosche Magic Mount handlebars. So I'm going to try this thing out, and I'll show you a little install video of it. So it looks like comes with 2 phone rubbers. Comes with this little magnetic back piece. You can see that's pretty strong. A little magnetic back piece for the back of your phone. It's got 2 magnets, eh? Cool. It's got zip ties, a little foamy for this to mount to your bar. You can see the little concaved contour there. And I believe, from what I can tell from the pictures on the box, that this goes over top. Like this. Sits there. Stick that on there and see how she goes. Be nice and handy for having the GPS, because I do ride my bike to work and I work out of town. There's one zip tie. There's 2 zip ties. They do provide you with 4, so if you need extra support, you can always use all of them. Sure that's straight on the bar there. Oh yeah. I think I'd rather some sort of mount that has, oh shit, that's on there pretty good. So I'm just going to tighten these zip ties here with a pair of grabbers. Just give them a good little yank without breaking them. Oh yeah. Whoa. Whoa. That's so you can just take it right off. That's what that little button's for. Alright, so now that those zip ties are tight, you're going to want to go ahead and cut the tag ends off. 1, 2. You can get real excited and you can heat that up and mush those little sharp points off if you really wanted to. I went ahead in the video and I stuck, there's a large magnet and a small magnet that come in the kit. You can see the other one in the bag. It's pretty strong. Stick that to it right now for you. Now, I don't know if I'd trust that in the wind, going however many kilometers an hour I might want to go, but it's definitely a kind of like a secondary backup for sure for these rubber bands. Go over top. Look at that. Now that's definitely not going anywhere. That band stuck to the mount, and it's got the magnet. That is not going anywhere. I'm going to say that's a win. It's in a good spot. I'd be able to access my GPS, go into the old Google map, you know, that kind of thing. Damn, riding safe. Now I can find my way around to work. Thanks for watching Jables Outdoors. I'll give you the review after I try this out.